Company started in 2001. The name come up from the owner, Gerald, and his brother, Tim. They took the TI and the GER out to get Tiger, is where they come out with the name. Tim and Gerald actually raced, and they've done a lot of work on their own rears and done some of the low drag stuff, try to free them up. Then it just kind of fell in. They started building rears. Then they done it as a fill-in for the machines to run. So there was the guys always had something to go with. And the only thing we don't do is pour castings and cut our own gears, you know. Everything else is done in-house. A dirt one with aluminum tubes is 90 pounds. With steel tubes, it's 100. Ring and pinion ratios, there's two different ones that we offer, a 486 and a 412. Quick change gears, multiple. Dirt late model series are crates to supers, asphalt, super late models, late model stock. We do a lot of TA2 racing, road course racing. What we've done with the low drag, we were the first ones to really start the low drag stuff. Polishing the bearings. Nobody done that until we come along. Running low drag seals, that all started with us. When we done it on the dyno, it was 10 to 14 better. Longevity with polished stuff, it lasts, I'm gonna say, maybe half, 3/4 longer. You know, we see great longevity out of polished stuff.